Hello my loves, welcome back to another video. Today I'm super excited to film this look because I honestly didn't think that it would even turn out like this. Earlier I tried filming this, but I was just like, what look do I want to do? So I was literally just filming and like going along with it, and I was just like not talking at the same time because I didn't know what I wanted to do. So I ended up doing one eye again, and I'm just going to show you guys how I achieved this look on this side. And yeah, it's so cute. Like, I added some white gel liner on my waterline just to make it pop a little bit. But yeah, so we're just gonna get right into it. So I will be going in with my Take Me to Brazil palette. And also, before we get into it, I just want to say that I used to prime my eyelids with the Urban Decay eyeshadow primer, but this time I've been using my concealer and I've just been setting it, and it works so much better for me. Like, I really recommend priming your eyelids with concealer. It's the best thing in the world. So I'm gonna go in with this angled brush right here, and I will be going in with this light shade, and I'm trying to get as close as possible, and I'm just going to be putting it basically right here. I'm just going to drag out the eyeshadow a little bit, and I want to say it goes on the brow bone, but I don't know what this is called. And then I'll be going in with my e.l.f. blending brush, and I'm gonna go in with this darker green shade right here. And I'm just gonna put it right underneath the lighter green and basically do the same thing. And I'm just gonna keep building up on it. And then I'm gonna go back in with that lighter green, and I'm just gonna put it right on top in the same spot as it was earlier. And then I'm gonna go in with this teal shade right here, and I'm just going to put it on the outer V of my eyes and go right into the crease. I'm also going to put it in the inner corner of my eyes. And basically at this point I'm just blending. And then I'm just going to go in with a flat brush, and I'm going to go in with the shimmery green right here. And I'm going to put that right in the middle of my eyelid. blend it in a little bit towards the shimmer, but not too much. I'm just gonna add some highlight on my brow bone. I'm gonna use this white highlight right here. I might add a little bit more on this side. I'll be taking just a random brush, whatever you guys have, and I'm going to go in with this olive green, I want to say. It's a little shimmery shade. And I'm going to put that on the inner corner of my eyes. And then I'm also going to add that same white highlight that I used earlier. I forgot that I used that. And I'm gonna put it right on top of it. This is like the fastest and easiest look ever to do. Okay, so next I am going to go in with the white liner on my waterline. And I'm just gonna go in with the NYX Glass 07 white. I'm always scared to put makeup on my waterline. I don't know why. It's just like a fear, so I never do it. But I was just like, you know what? I'm going to today. And I'm just going to take a fluffy brush and I'm going to go in with this shade right here. And I'm just going to go right. Is it called the under eye? I don't know. Then I'm gonna go in with the teal and just put it right on the outer corner part and connect it right there. Now I will be going in with my Wonder Beauty mascara, and I'm just gonna put some mascara on my lower lash and upper lashes. The last thing is some lashes from, Shop Mimi Lee. If you guys recommend any, like, I don't know, anything that helps me take off eye glue off of my eyelids, no matter what type of makeup remover I use, it will not come off unless I like pick it off, and even then sometimes it doesn't even want to come off. Can't talk. So if you guys like know anything about taking off eyelash glue off of my eyelids, please tell me. Alright you guys, so that is all for today's look. I hope you guys enjoyed, and let me know what you guys thought about this down in the comments below. And let me know if you want me to do some type of look. I don't know, just if you have any ideas, just put them down in the comments below and I will take them into consideration. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe down below, and I will see you guys next time.